Good morning, all of you. So, we have completed the post-mid syllabus. Now it's revision time. So, without delay, we will start the revision. Now, today we will do the mixture of question of different chapters. Okay, we will do and we will solve questions of different chapters. So, first question, write the following numbers in standard form. Now it's time to recall what is the meaning of standard form. How we can write any number in the standard form. What is that form? What is that form? Any number we use to write in standard form. So first of all, we have to know what is the meaning of standard form. So I hope you know the meaning of standard form. So let's once again recall what is the meaning of standard form through this numbers. Okay, now we want to convert this number into standard form. So the number is first one 0.0000059. So standard form means there will be one digit before the decimal. Afterwards there may be any digit, any number of digit. But before decimal there will be only one digit. Before the decimal there will be only one digit multiplied by 10 to the power any integer. That integer means it may be positive number, it may be negative number. So any number when we are going to write in standard form, we have to place the decimal only after a single digit multiplied by 10 to the power any integer. Okay, now we are going to convert this number. So we have to take the decimal to this part. After 5 we have to take the decimal. So this decimal I have to take there. Then only I can write 5.9. Okay, so one digit we have. So 5.9 multiplied by. How many places we are moving to right hand side, that we have to write in the power of 10. Okay. So what will be that? How many places we are moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places we are moving. Now the question is, it will be plus 6 or minus 6. As we are placing the decimal to the right hand side, we are moving the decimal to the right hand side, so it will be minus 6. Now you can cross check your answer. Is we are writing the correct answer or not? What is the value of this? It means 5.9. 10 to the power minus 6 means in the denominator there will be 6 zeros. Now you place the decimal, so it is in the division, so that decimal will move to left hand side and the answer will come this 0.000059. Okay, once you cross check also. Okay, so this is the standard form of this number 5.9. So you can easily see one digit before the decimal and 10 to the power any integer. How to place that integer? How many places we are moving? That number we have to write. Now it will be positive or negative. When we are moving the decimal towards right, then negative. If we are moving to left, then positive. Okay, now same concept we will be using here. 5, 6, 4, 4 zeros. So where should our decimal will lie? Now where is the decimal in this number? In this number, can you place where is the decimal? Our decimal is here. Okay, no decimal given means our decimal is there. Now we have to move that decimal to this place so that we can get 5.64, one digit before the decimal we can get. We cannot move up to there. We cannot write 56.4. We cannot write 56.4. There must be only one digit before the decimal. Okay, so it will be 5.64. Now how many places we are moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 places we are moving. 10 to the power 6. Now plus 6 or minus 6? We are moving the decimal to left hand side. Okay, so it will be plus 6. How many place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 place, and to the left, so plus 6. Okay, now you can just multiply that number, you will get the same number. You can, after doing this type of problem, once you cross check your answer. Okay, so in this way we are going to write any number in the standard form. Okay, moving on to the next question. Okay, now simplify 81 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 6 whole divided by 729 multiplied by 4 square. So this type of question you have already done. So do not simplify by multiplying this. What few of you, what they will do? 81 into, they will find out 3 to the power 4 means how much. So they will multiply 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. They will get one number. They will multiply 2 6 times. Okay, they will get one number. 4 2 times they will multiply. Then they will do the division. Okay, that is not the process. Simplification we will do because we have learned already the laws of exponent. So we will use, though in the question it is not mentioned that use the law of exponent, but we have to use here because we have learned. Why we have learned? What is the use of learning laws of exponent? So that we can apply in any kind of sum that makes the solution easier and time saving. So we will be using, though it is not mentioned in the question, it will not be mentioned also, but we have to use because we have learned the laws. Okay, so now 81. 81 is not a prime number. 81 is not a prime number. It can be prime factorized. What will come if we prime factorize 81? So 3, 2 is a 6, 2 is the remainder, 21, 3 7s are 21. Okay, 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So it is 3 to the power how much? 3 to the power 4 because 3 is being multiplied. 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 to the power 4. So we can write 81 as 3 to the power 4. Okay, again we are having 3 to the power 4. Now 3, the base, you see, it is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. Okay, so no need to prime factorize anymore. Okay, so 3 to the power 4 we will write as it is. 2 is also a prime number. We can write that number also as it is. Divide by. Now you have to get 729 is not a prime number, so we have to prime factorize that. Okay, so 729 how much? If you prime factorize, how much it will come? 3, 2 is a 6, remainder 1, 12, 3 4 is a 12, 3 3 is a 9. Now again 3, 3 8 is a 24, 3 1 is a 3, 3 27, 3 9s are 3 3s are. So how much it will come? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 to the power 6. So 729 can be written as 3 to the power 6 multiplied by. Now 4 is not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. We can prime factorize that. 4 we can easily write 2 into 2. So 4 can be written as 2 square. So we have written only 4. We have written only 4. So do not leave up to this. 4 square is there. So 4 square is there. So 2 to the power 2 is our 4 and square is there. So don't forget to write this square. Okay, equals to. Now you can easily apply 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. Base same, then power plus, because we have learned a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. When base same, power plus. Base same and it is multiplication here, then power plus. So 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 will come as 3 to the power 4 plus 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 6. Denominator 3 to the power 6 multiplied by 2 to the power square to the power square. So how much? 2 to the power 2 into 2, 4. 2 to the power how much? 2 into 2, 4. Okay, so how much it will come? 3 to the power 4 plus 4, 3 to the power 8 multiplied by 2 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 6 multiplied by 2 to the power 4. Now again you have learned one thing. If this is a division, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. When division is there and base same but division, then this plus will become minus. So it will a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. Okay, this is in the case of division. So you can easily see here. Take this part, 3 to the power 8 divided by 3 to the power 6. So base same, both base are 3. So power will get minus, subtract m minus n. So 8 minus 6. So it will come 3 to the power 8 minus 6. Base same and it is in division. So power will get subtracted, 8 minus 6 multiplied by. Now this same thing we will apply, 2 to the power 6 divide by 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 6 minus 4. Okay, so you see, it becomes so easy when you use the laws of exponent. Okay, so 3 to the power 8 minus 6 is 8 minus 6, 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 6 minus 4, how much? 2 to the power 2. Now you can easily multiply. This is a simplified form. So 3 square is 9 multiplied 2 square is 4 and 9 fours are 36. Okay, so if you multiply 2 6 times, 4 2 times, 3 4 times, then you will just do the division. That will be a long process and that will take time. So as you have learned laws of exponent, so in this type of sums you have to use the laws of exponent and you have to simplify them. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Now this question, subtract. So you can see here which type of expression is this? Yes, algebraic expression. So we have to do subtraction over algebraic expression. Subtract this expression from this. So as you know, from this means from part we will write first. So from part we will write first. Okay, from part we have already written. Now we will write down the first expression. When we will write down the first expression, we know what are like terms. We know about like terms and unlike terms. So we will put the like terms below them. So what is so in this first expression, we will try to find out the like terms to 18, 3a, 11b for this. Okay, for each and every term we will find out their like terms from this expression. So what is the like term to 18 in this expression? What is the like term to 18 in this expression? What is the like term to 18? Minus 10. So minus 10 we will write below that because both of them are like terms. Okay, 3a. So any expression with a we have to write below this. So you search where it is, minus 8a, minus 8a. So 10 we have written, this also we have written. Next, any term with b, any term, yes it is there, plus 7b. So below only we have to write. Like terms we have to write in this way. We cannot write 18 here and minus 10 at the last. We have to write below them. Okay. So plus 7b. Now AB term. Where is the AB term in the first expression? Minus 3AB is there. Now AB square. AB square plus 5AB square. Okay. Now next is a square b. So that is the first term only. 4a square b plus 4a square b. Since there is no sign before 4, that means it is in plus sign. Okay, so 4 plus 4a square b. So any term left, this term, this term, this term, all we have written. Once check, after writing once check if any term is left. For example, if there we have written plus 2abc, so that plus 2abc, it is not any like term in this, so we will write down separately. We will write down that separately. Okay, since it is not there, we are not writing. If any term is there which is not the like term to any one of them, we will write that separately. Okay, if that term which is not the like term here, so it may be with this expression also, it may be with this expression, so we have to accordingly write separately. If 2abc is there, so it is in the second expression, so I have to write here with the second expression, not with the this first expression. Wherever it is we have to write, but separately. Okay, because no such terms are there in the second expression, so we have to write separately. Now we have to do the subtraction. So subtract this from this. So from part we have written. Next, what we have done, from the first expression we have taken the like terms to this and put them in this manner. Okay, now during subtraction the sign of the second term changes. During subtraction the sign of the second expression changes, not term, the sign of the second expression changes. If it is minus here, it becomes plus. Second expression, this is our second expression. Okay, although this is the first expression from the question, I am just telling now, whatever expression we have written just below that, that sign will change. So it is minus, then it will be plus. Minus here, then it will be plus. Plus here, then it will be minus. Minus here, so it will be plus. Plus here, so minus. Just opposite sign, plus here, then minus. Okay. Now you have to do the subtraction, addition accordingly. So this sign we will not consider now. We will consider now the second sign. So now we will read as plus 10, plus 8a, minus 7b. So this sign we will not consider now. So now you see 18 plus 10, 28. Minus 3a plus 8a, minus 3a plus 8a. So how much? A will remain as it is. Only the number part we have to do the operation. Minus 3 plus 8 plus 5. Why plus 5? Plus minus we will be doing. So 8 minus 3, 5, and greater number is 8. So before that plus sign. So plus sign will be there. You know about the operation. I hope you know how to do subtraction and addition. Okay, so it will be plus 5a. Now minus 11b minus 7b. Minus 11b minus 7b. So minus minus plus. So it will be 11 plus 7, 18. And greater number is what? 11. Before that minus sign. So it will be minus 18. And write down the variable. It will be b. Okay. Next. Plus 5ab plus 3ab. Plus 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 only we have to do. 5 plus 3, 8. ab we have to write as it is. And greater number 5, before that plus sign, so plus ab, plus 8ab. Now here, minus 2ab square minus 5ab square. So this sign we will not include. Minus 2ab square minus 5ab square. So ab square I am writing as it is. Minus 2 minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5. Minus minus plus. So 5 plus 2, 7. Greater number is what? 5. Before that which sign? Minus sign. So minus 7ab square. Now here 5a square b minus 4a square b. So a square b I am writing as it is. Plus 5 minus 4. Since we are considering new sign, what we have included, that we have to take with 4. Okay, we cannot take plus 4. We have to take minus 4. So plus 5 minus 4. Yes, 1. So plus 1 you can write, or you can just skip that. Okay, nothing written means 1 is there. So this is our answer. So this is a short process. When you write in this manner, so you can easily arrange in a short or in a small space also. Because if you write in a line, it will take a larger area. And you may do the mistake also. So it will be so two processes are there, as you knowing. Two processes are there. You can write in a line wise manner to do the subtraction, or you can do in this manner also. Any process you can apply. Okay, now moving on to the next question. So now simplify, fourth question. Simplify and find the value of the following expression when x equals to minus 2. So there they are asking two type of question. First you have to simplify, then you have to find the value. So how to simplify any algebraic expression? So for that you must have the concept of like terms and unlike terms. So as you know, we can add and subtract like terms and like terms. We can add two like terms such as 5a plus 6a. Both are like terms, we can easily add. But can we add 5a and 6b? No, they are not like terms. One is having the variable a, one is having the variable b. 5a and 6b. We cannot add. Okay, simply we can subtract also like terms. We cannot subtract unlike terms. So here in this expression, simplify means you have to find out is there any like terms. Then you have to do the operation and get it shortened. So 5m square. So I am writing 5m square. Is there any m square term is there? M square term? No. No m square term is there. Now plus 7mn. Is there any term with mn as the variable? Is there any term which is mn has a variable? Yes, it is there. Minus 5. So I will write them together because both of them are like terms. Now this I have written, this I have written, this also I have written. Now minus 6 n square, and this is also the like term to n square. So I am writing here only. These are the two like terms and these are the two like terms. Okay, so no need to use bracket here. So now 5m square I'm writing as it is. So no m square term is there. So it is only the term. So I'm writing as it is. Now we have to solve them. Plus 7mn minus 5mn. How much it will come? 7 minus 5? 2. And greater number 7, before that plus sign, so plus 2. And mn we have to write as it is. Only we have to do the operation on numbers. So mn minus mn is not 0. Okay, so we have to write mn as it is. Only the numbers we have to do the operation. So plus 7 minus 5 plus 2. Here also minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4. How much it will come? 2. 6 minus 4, 2. Greater number 6. Before that minus sign. So minus 2. And n square we have to write as it is. So this is the simplified form. Now you see, none of them is the like term. M square, mn and n square are all unlike terms. So this is the simplified form. Simplified form means what? All the terms will unlike. Simplified form, in simplified form, all the terms will be unlike terms. So all the terms are unlike terms now. Now you put the value for x. Sorry, you take here m equals to 2 and n equals to minus 1. Take this value because x is not there, m and n is there. So you take m equals to 2 and n equals to minus 1. Then you solve the equation. So you put the values accordingly. So 5 m square. So m how much? 2. So 2 square plus 2. M how much? 2. N how much? Minus 1 minus 2. N square. N how much? Minus 1 square. Now you solve. So after simplification you have to put the values. Okay. So 5 multiplied by 4. 2 square is 4. Okay. Plus. Okay. Plus and minus. Plus into plus into minus. So it will come minus. Now 2 2s are how much? 4. 4 into 1, 4 only. Now minus 2 into, now you see minus 1 square. Minus 1 is getting multiplied with minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So it will remain 2 only. So 5 4s are 20 minus 4 minus 2. So 20 minus 4 minus 2 minus plus. So 4 plus 2, 6. Greater number 4, before that minus sign, minus 6. So it will come 20 minus 6, 14. Okay, so when you will get this type of question, simplify and then find the value. So first of all you have to simplify. This is the simplified form because here all the terms are unlike terms. So simplified form, you will get all the terms unlike. Then you put the values, whatever the values given. If x value given, the expression will be in x. So x value you have to put and get the value. If ab value given, expression containing ab, you have to put those values. Okay, and you have to do accordingly. So there are two types of question. So do not put the values directly. In this expression, do not put the values directly. You have to first simplify, then you have to put the value. So read the question carefully, then you do. Then you proceed. Okay, moving on to the next question. Okay, now this question will be your homework. So it is from the perimeter and area, you can see directly because you can see here they are telling to find out the area of the shaded part. So this is a square. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. This is a square of side 14 centimeter. Okay, these are the four circles. You can easily see they are touching at one point. They are touching at one point over here. Okay, and they told that four circles are drawn with centers. The center of the circle is at the point A, B and C, D. Okay, means A, B, C, D are the vertex of that square and that is the center of those circles also. Okay, now find the area of the shaded part. You have to find the area of the shaded part. Now how you can find out? So here, shaded part you have to find out. So every time one main concept you have to begin with. Shaded part means total area minus unshaded part. So you can easily see here there is a square. So this square area minus this unshaded part will gives the shaded part area. So now you think how you can find out the area of this unshaded part. So when you subtract total area minus this unshaded part, you will get the shaded part area. So you do this question. Okay. So here few questions. Plot 25 by 6 on the number line. You have to plot that 25 by 6 in the number line. So do not write as 0 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6 up to 25 by 6. Do not write in that manner. You have to first find out between which two integer it will lie and you have to put the endpoint those two integers. Then you have to show where the 25 by 6 will lie. Okay, seventh one, give four rational numbers between -3 and -2. You have done already, you know. If the 8 number question, if the angles of a triangle are in the ratio, you know how many angles are there in a triangle? 3 angles. If the ratio of those angles are 2:3:4, you have to find the value of the each angle. So you know angle sum property. Okay, try to apply over here. Okay, so try these questions and all the best for your exams and prepare well. Thank you.